Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good and enjoying your life. A very happy new year to all of you from my side, and I'm sorry for posting a video so late. So welcome back to my channel. Today we are making instant tacos. Now let's start making the tacos in my style. Firstly, I would be telling you what we need. So here I took some cayenne chicken chunks to give it a spicy taste and some tender pops to give it a crispy texture. So for the filling you would also need some veggies or vegetables. Here I took 2 to 3 medium capsicum and cut them in julienne style, 3 to 4 cups of shredded cabbage, and lastly 3 to 4 medium carrots, or you can add anything you like. Lastly and obviously we would need some tortillas. Here I took 6 tortillas. This recipe would be for 5 to 6 tortillas easily. So let's now start preparing our filling. The vegetables I took were frozen, so I had to separate them from each other as they were frozen and make them dry. And once they got apart and they started leaving out water, I added the spices to it. Here I took half tablespoon black pepper, half tablespoon salt or as per taste, and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. And then I would be adding some 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, or you can add as per you like. And then I would be adding a tablespoon of vinegar to give it a sour taste. Make sure to cook your veggies on high flame so that all the moisture is gone. Now in the same skillet over low to medium heat, I would be cooking the chunks. So I added almost 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil so that they do not get stick to the skillet, even though it's non-stick pan. And then I heated up the oil, and then I would be adding the tender pops to it so that they are nicely done from inside. Just make sure that the flame is not too high because it would leave them undercooked. Now let's heat up our tortillas. So here I'm doing them on direct heat. You can even do it on a skillet because that's more safe. This would take more time and effort, and if you want it to be simple and plain, you can do it on the skillet. Now as we are done with making our filling and heating up our tortillas, we would move on to the assembly part. You can also choose your favorite sauces to put inside it. I used mayonnaise, mustard sauce and barbecue sauce. So put a cut from midway to the end of the tortilla, and we would imagine these as 4 quarters, like build some imaginary lines in your mind. And on 1 quarter I would be placing the sauces. You can add any sauce you like. Barbecue sauce adds a great taste to it, and obviously mayonnaise. So once you are done with adding all your favorite sauces on the first quarter, on the next quarter we would be placing our chicken. Now on the third quarter we would be placing our vegetables. You can fill the last 2 quarters with the vegetables, or the last quarter with anything you like. And starting from the first quarter we would start folding it in the manner I am doing so, and while folding it, press it so that it's easier for you to fold it, and at the end secure it with the toothpick. Our easy and delicious tacos are ready to be served. Do try this recipe at home. If you enjoyed the video, give this video a thumbs up, comment what you think down below, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I would see you all with a new video soon. Till then, take care of yourself, stay safe, bye bye.